This video will guide you through reviewing a design-build contract. Design-build contract review is a frequently requested service on the Contracts Council platform since both contractors and clients want to understand the terms before signing. If you have received a design-build contract and need to review it, then this video is for you. Before we start, just a brief disclaimer. The following information is provided for educational purposes and in no way constitutes legal advice. For legal advice, we encourage you to consult a licensed attorney. We have also provided more information in the description, including how to find a lawyer. We will cover top considerations when reviewing a design-build contract, key terms to find and understand in your document, and cost to hire a lawyer for review. We have also added a link in the description below with information on legal fees. Now let's get started. Top considerations for design-build contracts. Design-build contracts are legally binding documents that outline the relationship and responsibilities between a client and a contractor who will both design and build a project. Before diving into specific terms, here are some top considerations to keep in mind. Scope of work. Ensure the agreement clearly outlines the scope of work, including both design and construction responsibilities, timelines, and deliverables. Budget and payment terms. Understand the payment terms, including the total budget, payment schedule, and any provisions for change orders. Compliance with laws. Ensure the agreement complies with relevant local, state, and federal laws, including building codes and safety regulations. Intellectual property. Determine who will own the intellectual property rights for the designs and plans created during the project. And consider hiring a lawyer. It is always recommended to hire a lawyer to help review a design-build contract. They can ensure the document is legally compliant, help you understand industry standard terms, and coach you on negotiations. We have added a link in the description to help you find one. Key terms to understand. Design-build contracts contain many important terms that you should understand. Here are some key terms to look for. 1. Parties involved. Ensure that the names and details of both the client and the contractor are correctly stated. Make sure the full legal names of the entities or individuals are used. 2. Scope of work. Review the section that specifies the services to be provided, including detailed descriptions, timelines, and milestones. Ensure it matches your previous discussions. 3. Budget and payment terms. Check the payment terms, including the total budget, payment schedule, and any provisions for change orders or cost overruns. 4. Change orders. Understand the process for handling changes to the project scope, including how change orders will be requested, approved, and priced. 5. Intellectual property. Determine who will own the designs, plans, and any other intellectual property created during the project. 6. Warranties. Ensure the agreement specifies any warranties provided by the contractor regarding the quality and durability of the work. 7. Termination conditions. Review the conditions under which the agreement can be terminated by either party, including any notice periods and penalties for early termination. 8. Liability and indemnification. Check the liability and indemnification clauses to understand each party's responsibilities and protections in case of losses or damages. And 9. Dispute resolution. Review the methods for resolving disputes related to the agreement, such as mediation, arbitration, or court litigation. Average cost to hire a lawyer. Hiring a lawyer to review your design-build contract is advisable. Contracts Council's marketplace allows you to post your project and receive competitive bids from lawyers to compare. Based on recent data, the average cost to review a design-build contract is $620 on a flat fee basis. This is based on recent projects from across various U.S. states. Legal fees can vary based on the following factors. State or location. Lawyer fees may vary based on where they are located. For example, a lawyer in New York City will likely have a higher rate than a lawyer in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Length of contract. Given lawyers traditionally bill by the hour, a longer contract with more pages will require more of their time, which can make the legal costs higher. Complexity of terms. If there are complicated terms in the agreement, it can increase legal fees since it will require the lawyer to spend more time working on the project. and service required. You can hire lawyers for different services. If you simply need the contract reviewed and explained, this will be a lower fee than also meeting the contract redlined and negotiated. Reviewing a design build contract is crucial in ensuring you understand all the terms and protect your rights accordingly. If you need help from an experienced lawyer, feel free to search Contracts Counsel or visit contractscounsel.com and post a job to get quotes from lawyers to help you. Thanks for watching.